Is os.path.expanduser/x equivalent to os.path.abspath os.path.expanduser/x? In Python, can I be sure the expanded user call will be an absolute path if the path has in it? For example, is this expression always true?
It depends on what your $home points to. On most properly set up systems, every mainstream Linux distro, OS and Windows, it'll point to an absolute path, for example /home/user or c:/users/user. But if it's unset, improperly set or even changed manually, export home equals dot, expand user may result in a relative path, in which case abspath will further change it. But for most intents and purposes, you can assume that yes, both expressions are equivalent.
이 예표가 초시물, PS 홈 서비스 필딩.